So this year for National Head, we've decided to create a dish based on a Char Siew Sou, which is like a roasted pigeon in our case into a puff pastry. What I'm hoping diners will take away from that dish, it's a creative version. You see, once you do something into a puff pastry, there's a lot of things you can hide into it. So of course you can hide local spices, local flavors, but you can also have a French twist to it or combine both. Or really creativity is up to you. But in our case here, what I wanted to bring back was that concept of, meat, juicy kind of flavors, which is exactly what that puff reminded me when I first tasted it. We decided to go with a pigeon. We take a fresh pigeon, we take just the breast, which is raw, and we cut it slightly. We're going to put some foie gras inside, and we're using a braised cabbage. So we're using Chinese cabbage, which we are braising just in water, tiny bit of butter, salt, for about 8 hours. So the cabbage reduce, it's almost dense, like a puree, like a mashed potato, but it's pure cabbage. So like most classical French dish, what's interesting is the sauce. The sauce will be made of all the roasted bones and the meat from the legs, reduced to a very, very strong jus. And as a base of the dish, pigeon, foie gras, we wrap with puff pastry, and then we bake it fairly high temperature for a very short period of time. So the gamble here is obviously to have the pigeon perfectly cooked. I want it to be medium rare.